Today, Saturday, October 11th, 2025, the heart of Kumasi beats with a familiar, frustrating rhythm. This rhythm is the sound of the Suame roundabout. It's really a symphony of blaring horns, idling engines, and the weary sighs of drivers trapped in a seemingly endless crawl. For anyone who has tried to navigate this junction during peak hours, the scene is a daily test of patience. Cars, trotros, and heavy-duty trucks all compete for space on roads that feel far too small for the city's growing ambitions. It's a chaotic dance where progress is measured in inches, not miles, and every journey is an unpredictable venture. The struggle is not just for those behind the wheel. For pedestrians, crossing the Suame roundabout is a daunting challenge, a risky game played against a tide of relentless metal. The area lacks safe, designated walkways, forcing people to weave through slow-moving but unpredictable traffic. Mothers with children, traders carrying their wares, and students rushing to class all face this danger daily. This constant conflict between vehicles and people creates an environment of stress and inefficiency, where simple errands become time-consuming ordeals, and the air is thick with exhaust fumes and frustration. This roundabout is more than just a traffic bottleneck. It is the lifeline for a critical economic engine. Suame is the proud home of Suame Magazine, one of West Africa's largest informal industrial estates. This sprawling hub is a universe of artisans, mechanics, welders, and spare parts dealers. It's a place of incredible innovation and hard work, where broken vehicles are brought back to life and new solutions are crafted from scrap metal. The productivity of thousands of skilled workers and the success of their countless small businesses depend directly on the ability to move goods and people in and out of this area efficiently. When traffic at Suame grinds to a halt, so does the pulse of this vital economic zone. A truck delivering spare parts from the port can lose hours just a few kilometers from its destination. A customer trying to reach a mechanic might give up and turn back, resulting in lost income for the artisan. The congestion strangles the very commerce that makes Kumasi a powerhouse of trade in Ghana. The daily gridlock is not just an inconvenience. It's a direct threat to livelihoods and a brake on the economic potential of the entire Ashanti region, holding back the ingenuity that defines Suame Magazine. In response to this daily paralysis, a bold and ambitious solution is rising: the Suame Elevated Project. This is not a simple road expansion or a minor adjustment to the existing layout. The plan envisions a complete transformation of the landscape, centered around a magnificent four-tier interchange. This complex structure, the first of its kind in the Ashanti region, is designed to separate the conflicting streams of traffic. Imagine vehicles heading towards the Mampong Road, soaring over those destined for the western bypass, all while local traffic flows smoothly on dedicated lanes below. It's a grand piece of engineering aimed at untangling the knot at Suame. This architectural marvel is the centerpiece of a much larger initiative. The project's scope extends far beyond the central interchange. It includes the construction of 5 new overpasses at key congestion points nearby, such as Anomangie, Krofrom, and Abrapo. These supplementary bridges will help disperse traffic long before it reaches the main junction, preventing the buildup that currently plagues the entire corridor. Furthermore, many of the local roads connecting to the interchange will be upgraded and widened, improving access for residents and businesses throughout the surrounding communities, and creating a more integrated road network. The design addresses the complete transportation ecosystem, not just cars. The plans incorporate improved drainage systems, including new box culverts, to prevent the perennial flooding that often worsens traffic and damages the roads during the rainy season. For pedestrians, the project promises a safer future with the inclusion of dedicated walkways and footbridges, finally offering a secure way to cross the busy thoroughfares. This holistic approach recognizes that a truly effective solution must cater to everyone who uses the space, ensuring that mobility and safety are enhanced for all, not just for motorists. At a total cost of around €178 million, this monumental undertaking is financed through a partnership between the Government of Ghana and international financial institutions, including Deutsche Bank. The construction, which officially began with a sod-cutting ceremony on October 18, 2022, is being managed by the Spanish contractor Grupo Dismar. The project represents a significant investment in the future of Kumasi and a clear statement of intent to modernize the city's infrastructure to meet the demands of the 21st century. It's a complex, multi-year endeavor that promises to reshape the heart of the Ashanti region. The most immediate and celebrated benefit of the Suame Elevated Project will be the dramatic reduction in travel times. For commuters, this means less time spent in traffic and more time with family or at work. For businesses, it translates into faster movement of goods and services, which is the lifeblood of any economy. Vehicle operating costs are also expected to drop significantly, as less time spent idling in traffic means lower fuel consumption and reduced wear and tear on engines. The free-flowing movement will boost productivity across the board, making Kumasi a more attractive place for investment and commerce. Beyond the direct traffic benefits, the project is a powerful engine for job creation. During its 36-month construction phase, it's projected to create approximately 1,000 direct and indirect jobs for Ghanaians. Engineers, surveyors, construction workers, and suppliers will all play a role in bringing this vision to life. This injection of employment provides a welcome economic stimulus for the local community. Once completed, the improved infrastructure will continue to support economic growth, fostering a better environment for the artisans of Suame Magazine and attracting new businesses to the region, creating a ripple effect of prosperity. However, a project of this magnitude is not without its challenges. The most significant hurdle is managing the complex construction process in one of the city's busiest areas. Building a 4-tier interchange while thousands of vehicles continue to pass through daily requires meticulous traffic management and diversion plans to minimize disruptions. There is also the human cost to consider. Some residents and businesses located within the project's footprint will need to be relocated, a process that requires fair, timely, and transparent compensation to ensure that progress does not come at the expense of the vulnerable. Furthermore, keeping such a large-scale project on its 36-month schedule and within its budget is a constant battle against unforeseen obstacles. Delays in acquiring land, material shortages, or unexpected engineering problems could all pose risks. There is also the long-term challenge of maintenance. A state-of-the-art interchange requires a dedicated maintenance plan to ensure it remains safe and functional for decades to come. Successfully navigating these hurdles will be just as important as the engineering itself in determining the ultimate success of the project and its lasting legacy for the people of Kumasi. The journey to a transformed Suame is being built in carefully planned stages. The project is divided into 2 main phases. Phase 1, which is currently underway, focuses on the construction of the main 4-tier interchange itself. This is the most complex and critical part of the entire development. Once this central structure is well advanced, Phase 2 will commence, concentrating on the ancillary works. This includes the 5 supporting overpasses, the upgrades to local roads, and the installation of drainage and pedestrian facilities. This phased approach allows the construction team to tackle the project methodically while managing its impact on the surrounding area. Transparency and public engagement are crucial for the project's success. The government and contractors have a responsibility to keep the public informed about progress, timelines, and any upcoming disruptions. Regular updates through community meetings, local radio stations, and online platforms can help manage public expectations and build trust. For residents, this is an opportunity to be active participants rather than passive observers. Citizens can monitor the construction progress in their neighborhoods, ask questions, and provide valuable feedback to local authorities and assembly members about how the work is affecting their daily lives. Accountability is a shared responsibility. While the contractors work to meet their deadlines, it is up to the citizens of Kumasi to hold all stakeholders accountable for their promises. This means paying attention to the quality of the work, ensuring that compensation for displaced persons is handled fairly, and demanding that safety standards are strictly followed on the construction site. By staying engaged, the community can help ensure that the final product is not only an engineering marvel but also a project that truly serves the public good and delivers on its promise of a better future for everyone in the city. The Suame Elevated Project is more than just concrete and steel. It is a symbol of Kumasi's ambition and a testament to its forward-looking spirit. This is a call to every resident of the Garden City to embrace this transformation. Stay informed about the project's milestones, share your thoughts and concerns through the proper channels, and prepare to be part of a new chapter in Kumasi's story. The road ahead will have its disruptions, but by working together and staying engaged, the people of Kumasi can help build a more connected, prosperous, and efficient city for generations to come.